Hello everyone and welcome to the order. Today I'll be making a $350 gaming PC component selection. Today's build is oriented towards the budget gamers who want to play their favorite games. For the motherboard I went with the Gigabyte GA H110M-A, for the CPU I went with the Intel Pentium G4400, and for the GPU I went with the Gigabyte RX 460. The combination of these core components will deliver good gaming performance at an affordable price. For the RAM I went with 8 GB of G.Skill memory, and for the hard drive I went with the Western Digital Caviar Blue 1TB drive. Plenty of RAM for current games and plenty of storage. For the case I went with the Rosewill SRM01 Micro ATX case, and for the PSU I went with the 430W EVGA unit. The case has decent features for its price, and the PSU is powerful enough to handle the system. Let's make a quick overview of the system. The overall price is $350. This system will run most games at decent settings. Nevertheless, this is a low-end system and you may have to turn down the graphics in some cases. Also, the system has limited upgradability due to the small case and the PSU. To help you with your builds, I have composed several tutorials. They cover a wide variety of topics like PC building, component selections, pricing and others. They feature all of the guidelines of quality PC building. And so, this concludes my $350 gaming PC build component selection. If you have any tech related questions, feel free to send them in, like, comment and subscribe for more tech videos. This is the Tech Order, signing out.